We just want to give a quick update. First of all, I want to refer to my last analysis. Since the price was within this move, we mentioned if I get any reversal, I'm more interested to look for buy. Anyway, at that time, price was exactly within here, and where we could look for buy. Well, there was a one trade from here, but one thing I need to highlight here: if anyone bought from here, because we mentioned when the price tag, you are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. This is where they should take out the trade because almost 6 hours the price was there. Then either take out the trade and just leave it, or take out the trade. The second strategy to put in their entry above the top. Okay, that's mean for those traders, they get the trade from here. When they see this one more than 2 hours, they should take out the trade as I mentioned. And after we get one more drop, because if we put this low in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we had a divergence. That's why any reversal from there, we could take the trade, and we could take the trade from here. All right. And for those traders, they take the trade from here because if we put over 50 within this one, is more than 61%. Either move their stop loss to break even or take out the trade in the profit. That's why I mentioned I'm looking for the, since the price was within this, I mentioned I'm looking for the buy. I'm not really interested to look for sell. And I want to see what's the next, because if we move to daily chart, we mentioned with the breakout of the 142, we can expect the price to drop to 118. If there is a breakout of 118, the next level we're looking for is 95. As we can see, the price tag 118, then reverse. No one see what's the next, whether this is the start of the reversal or we can expect this one turn to more complex correction. Right? May I move to forward chart? It will be more clear. No, which one we need to look? Either this is the correction and this is the start of the reversal, or we can expect for the bigger flat, internal flat for one more drop. If this is the flat, the next wave simply the price can tag 95. All right. And one thing is, if I put this low relative to the previous one, MACD doesn't show us a divergence, and another indicator showing me the divergence. Which one to rely? That means we don't have really, I mean, we have two different information. Then we cannot confirm this is the start of the up move. That means we need to be quite careful. May this one turn to a internal flat in relative to this, and either if the price drop from here, or even we get one move up, if we get one more drop, simply we can expect the price even drop to 95. Okay, that's what that's mean for those traders. They get the trade from here based on 1 hour chart, move their stop loss to break even or take out the trade. And for those traders, they want to take the trade from here, they should know about this possibility, because simply even the price can retest the previous top and drop, because we know about the different possibility about the flats. All right, that's mean any trade, as long as the price haven't break the previous top, we can be in this range, we consider as a short-term trade. And right now, if I move to 1 hour chart, you want to see how we can look for trade. All right. Either, if you want to look at this one as a correction, either we wait for one more drop. If the price couldn't break 142, then any reversal as a sharp move flag, either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, we can look for trade, next trade. That's mean we consider this one as a flat. That's mean the first option is we wait for one more drop. And if the price couldn't break 142, we look for the reversal. And the second option is to put our entry above the stop, which is somewhere around, if I put my line here, is somewhere around 152.6 or 7, or even 153. Okay. In that case, what we want the price, in case this is a flag, if we want the price sharply break and continue. But if the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take with the trade. Why? Maybe we get one move up, then we need to refer to the indicators. If we have a divergence and we don't see the continuation, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. Right? That's why we prefer to get one more drop. Then from there, we take the trade. All right. And even if we get any continuation from here, we need to see the breakout of 172. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. And again, for those traders, they get the trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.